Hiya, Sean. Have you ever found yourself caught up in your thoughts about how to stay afloat in the wave of AI advancement? Are you motivated to acquire the necessary skills to not only keep pace, but to be a trailblazer in this accelerating world? In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 AI skills that are vital for you to learn now to outshine 97% of your contemporaries, regardless of your career field. These fundamental non technical skills will empower you to tap into the exciting AI opportunities around you. So stay tuned and let's get started. Kicking off with skill number 1, prompt engineering. It's an artful blend of scientific techniques and creativity to create compelling prompts that extract the desired output from AI language models like ChatGPT 4. Imagine AI as a wish granting genie. Ask the wrong questions and your wish might go sideways. So, honing your prompt engineering abilities allows you to articulate your desires effectively to AI. A good prompt engineer excels in understanding context, precise language usage, and predicting potential responses. Say you're a content writer drafting a blog post about dating apps benefits, for example. A well designed prompt like, "You're an expert relationship coach. Please write a blog discussing the top 5 advantages of using dating apps for men," could generate more precise, audience specific content compared to a generic write a blog about dating apps. Skill number 2 is AI enhanced branding. In the AI era, personal branding has morphed into a new dimension. Utilizing AI tools, you can create a distinct and unforgettable personal brand that differentiates you from the masses. Imagine your personal brand as a mosaic, a combination of varied elements presenting a complete picture of exactly who you are, your values, and what you bring to the table. Now, visualize AI adding depth and clarity to each mosaic piece, making your personal brand more enticing. For instance, you might use AI generated logos for a visually striking identity, or leverage AI powered content generation tools to create thought provoking articles or engaging social media posts. Even your online engagement can be augmented with AI powered virtual assistants, managing your social media presence, ensuring brand consistency across all various platforms. Data storytelling and visualization sits at number 3. As AI systems excel at processing vast amounts of data, our ability to extract valuable insights from this data becomes incredibly essential. It's all about converting raw data into captivating narratives and visuals that engage, inform, and persuade. For instance, if you're part of a nonprofit working to solve the global water crisis, data storytelling could transform complex water scarcity and uses data into an impactful narrative that drives action. Creative AI thinking is skill number 4. It's all about envisioning revolutionary applications of AI technology, going beyond conventional use cases and exploring AI's potential. AI is reshaping our world in profound ways. And with creative AI thinking, we can discover new opportunities, solve complex problems, and elevate our careers to unprecedented heights. Skill number 5 is AI business strategy and implementation. Identifying opportunities for AI integration, assessing potential risks, and develop an actionable roadmap for your goals are integral parts of an effective AI business strategy. Consider a retail company optimizing its supply chain using AI powered forecasting and inventory management systems. It can create streamlined operations, reduce waste, and boost profitability. So, if you learn and master these skills I spoke about today, congrats, you will be ready to take on the future job market. If you like this video, drop me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Have a great day and put in the work.